cake pop.
It's a polar bear cake pop, and I got the Christmas tree mocha or whatever. And it has a cute little strawberry and I'm eating it.
It's a little polar bear.
Alright.
It is cute.
First taste. Oh my god. It's like pepperminty. Oh, it's awesome. Have you tried yours? How is it? What does it taste like? What?
I took a really big bite. That's why I didn't put the whole thing in my mouth. Tastes like a cake pop.
Mmm!
Hey guys, it's Bryce
And Marissa.
Bam! And today we're doing gingerbread houses
For Christmas. I have my little Christmas hat on. It's Christmas time. Woohoo!
We take hot glue, stick graham crackers onto it, and then we build our beautiful houses.
My shirt is really sparkly. So yeah. Enjoy. I don't know. Christmas time is here again.
No,
The smell of hot cocoa, the lightly falling snow.
I feel like you got that from somewhere.
Yes, Christmas.
At this point, I don't really care where I get
Everyone's child at Christmas. And the children's not under Christmas.
It dries very fast. I can tell.
Wardrobe malfunction.
I put too much frost on that part of my roof, so I just burned down the rest of my house.
What?
What?
Wait, what did you say?
I said I put too much frosting on my roof, so I just spread it down the rest.
Oh, I thought you said I put too much frosting on the roof, so I burnt down the whole house. I was like,
What did you do?
chill, bruh.
Frosty the snowman, there's a fairy tale they say. He was made of snow.
Title of this video, Gingerbread House Making, or Marissa dancing the whole time. There's nothing gory I can do with the reindeer. Actually.
Oh no. You're gonna put its head on a stick. Help me.
Let me see that Tootsie Roll.
slaughterhouse. Snow coming off the roof. I got some poles on the side here. I got some nice little pattern with a tree at the bottom. I have a sled that's supposed to have headlights, but none of that went well. Door with the doorknob and the wreath. Got a star up here. Then I got the pathway here that goes into the garage, which I have a little car in the garage. Okay, so this is my snowman. He's holding his hat because it's like nearly headless Nick in Harry Potter, kind of. So it's like nearly headless snowman, except for he's totally headless. So, and there's a little Swedish fish head because, you know, they're friends or something. My little pathway with the little bushes, and then the giant face because I like big faces and it made me laugh. And then little wreaths with pretzels. I don't know why. Over here I have my little sleigh with the Swedish fish riding the sleigh. And then there's a dead reindeer on the roof. You got little X's for eyes. And here's his body. Might be hard to tell with the other red in the roof. So yeah.